Everybody, welcome back to day 2. Hopefully day 1 went well for you and everything went smoothly. Remember, if you have not uploaded your video yet, please do that. All right, today is going to be a lot shorter, but there are more things for you to do. All right, so I'm going to run through it super quick because there is a couple things that you need to know how to do. All right, so first thing is you're watching this video, good. Okay, task 2, you need to watch Miss Egan's video on how to do tasks 3 and 4. So she walks through how you're going to submit a screenshot of your Apple ID and you're going to submit a screenshot of your iPad settings to show that you're up to date. All right, and then task 5, you're going to fill out this Google Forms survey. So right here is the link to watch Miss Egan's video. It's like 1 minute long and she takes you through step by step to make sure your iPad is up to date and that you are logged in. All right, task 3, here are also, it's the same thing as what she's explaining. It's a screenshot of your Apple ID to show you're logged in. Okay, so if you, for some reason this video doesn't work or you don't get it, here are instructions typed out for you on how to do task 3. Once you are done with this screenshot, you are going to upload it right here into Manage Apple ID. All right, and then task 4, showing your iPad is up to date. Here are your instructions. You're going to put it right here. All right, and then your last one, you're going to fill out this Google Forms survey. For some reason you go through all this and your iPad is not working, make sure all of like personal photos, videos are deleted because you might not have enough storage. Go to this PDF down here, iPad troubleshooting. It's a full page and it kind of gives you some ideas of things you can do to try to make this work. All right, let me know if you have questions. Make sure you get both screenshots submitted and do the Google Forms survey. All right, so 3 things you need to be turning in today.